Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Guys, are able to see my screen? Online people? Online people are able to see my screen. Okay, thank you. Naresh. That's Devana. Okay, guys. So in the last class, we discussed about what is that? Some Excel sheet related functionalities, right? What are those? Some minimum, maximum, right? So the same functionalities. If you want, go back. Why? Because fans recording is not clear. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you want, what about that? In the Excel sheet, we have a content. Within the content, if you want to, how many employees are there? We are using count function. In the total, what about that records? What is the maximum salary? In that case, we are using max. And who is the minimum? Minimum. And what is the sum of all the members? Sum function, something like that. Same Excel sheet functions. These people are, some are the functions, these people are converting into the, using into the, what about SalesForce? It is a copy paste. Understand the feature already there in the other technologies like Excel. The same feature these people are using in our SalesForce. How? For example, in the hospital, if you go to the hospital, hospital is a parent object. Understand? And patients are the child objects. Patients. Patient means parent, child. Who is the parent here? Hospital object is a parent. Hospital object is a parent. Patients. Patient is a child. Plural. Right? One parent, multiple. What about that? Childs. We know already. Here, please observe. As of now, yeah. So this is the architecture as of now we are created. Right? These are the objects. Architecture means it's a, what about that big word? These are the objects we are created, and patient connecting to bed. Patient using the bed related information. Patient using the doctor information. Patient using the hospital. So that's the reason from patient to we are connecting to the bed. From patient to we are connecting to the hospital. From patient to we are connecting to the doctor. Why? Patient needs all these, what about the data? But within the data, only bed is optional. Every patient don't require bed. So that's the reason we are created already optional relationship. That is called lookup. See, optional is lookup. But every patient doctor mandatory. In that case, we are using master detail relationship. Understand? Now here, see guys. First, I'm going to the one by one object. See, in the doctor point of view. Doctor point of view. How many patients are there? Doctor point of view. How many patients are there? I need that count here. Which count? How many patients are there? PATIENT. Patients count. I need count of the patients. Particular doctor, how many patients are there? So again, particular hospital, how many patients are there? I need here also count. Particular bed, as of now, how many people this bed is allocated? I need that count. Something like that. That means every parent need child related information. Every parent. What is the total sum of the patient? What is the total sum of the Hospital point of view, how many patients are as of now visited to the particular hospital. Understand? So now we need to create one field in the parent object. Understand? Why? In the hospital, I need total patients as of now. As of now, up to now, I think for example, after 1 year, up to 1 year, how many patients are? Up to now, how many patients visit to the particular hospital? So that means in the hospital point of view, how many people are there? Understand? So here, first, in that case, we are using in the Excel sheet functionalities. What is that? We are already discussed some functions. What are those? Count, minimum, maximum, and sum. These are the 4 functions as of now. Count means how many patients are there. Minimum means what is the minimum age or minimum salary something. What is the maximum salary something. In our situation, I need what is the total number of childs. Which childs? Patient childs. That means which field you want to use? Count. Count function, you can use it. But how to use it? Theoretically, we know, right? In the Excel sheet, select all the columns and click on the count. Count is coming. But in the SalesForce, how to use it? Understand? In the SalesForce, how to use it? So for that purpose, the SalesForce people, these all functions grouped together and giving one data type. Which type of data? See, patient count is patient count. If you want to patient count, you can use which function? Count function, right? But count function directly you cannot use. Understand? So these all are come under, these people are giving one name as roll-up summary. What is that? Roll-up summary. Roll-up summary is a data type. If you want to use the roll-up summary, within that these functions are there. Understand? Now you need to create the patient count is a which type of data? Roll-up summary data type. Whenever you are creating the field, it is asking which type of data. Which type of data? Roll-up summary data. Within the roll-up summary, again it is asking which function you want to use. Select it. Done. Understand? So now how to use it? Okay. First I am going to patient first. We'll see. First of all, roll-up summary, way to use will first of all, any concept is there. What is the limitations? You can understand 1 to 100, the entire history of that feature. Then you can understand when to use, what to use, where to use. Without knowing the history of the particular feature, what is that? How to use it? First of all, we need to discuss what is the history of the roll-up summary. First, for example, patient, I need to go to the patient object. We'll see. Where is the patient? This is the patient. Go to the fields. We'll see here. Click on new. In the patient, roll-up summary is there. Yes, it is there, but it is disabled. That means now try to understand here in the patient, very important interview question. I need to make it red. Roll-up summary. Red means in the patient, roll-up summary is disabled. In the patient, roll-up summary is disabled. Okay. As of now, please note down. Note down means in the brain. Okay. In the patient, roll-up summary is disabled. Clear? Now go to the bed. Go to the. We know what is the roll-up summary. Roll-up summary means if you want to use these functions, roll-up summary is a data type. If you want to use these functions, we are using the roll-up summary. But when to use, where to use, how to use. I am going to the patient object. Roll-up summary is disabled. That means in the patient object, we are unable to use the roll-up summary. We'll see. Next, go to the bed. Where is the bed? I want to create the roll up summary field. We'll see. Click on new. Roll up summary is in the bed object. Roll up summary is visible. That means again here also Z. It is a red color. In the bed object, roll up summary, we can't use it. Understand? As of now, out of 4 objects, we are checking 2 objects. One is patient, one is bed. In the both the scenario, roll up summary is disabled. Okay. Now, what is the next object? Doctor. Go to the doctor. See guys, view fields, click on new. What is that? Roll up summary is enabled. Which object? Doctor object. Here it is a green color. Why? Roll up summary is enabled. I just make it. This is called reverse engineering, guys. Reverse engineering, you know that word? What is that? Whatever those people are said, don't follow that documentation and everything. Whatever you are observed, based on the observation, you need to learn it. Understand? That is the skill-based learning. In the theoretical part, in the documentation, go to this step, go to this step, go to this step, this is the output. You don't know why to go to the step, why to write that step, you don't know anything. You are just like a typewriter. Understand? At the time, you are not using your brain. Understand? So that's the reason I am creating this type of scenarios. Now roll up summary is in the doctor object is enabled. Go to the hospital again. Enabled. That means the hospital also roll up summary is enabled. Now out of 4 objects, 2 objects roll up summary is disabled, 2 objects roll up summary is enabled. Now we can analyze when to what about the way, in which situation it is enabled, which situation it is disabled. Understand? Now come to the patient. These 3 objects point of view, it is a child object. In the child object, roll up summary is disabled. In the child object, roll up summary is visible. So that means the thumbnail is, what is that? Every child object roll up summary will be disabled. That is the first point. Every child object roll up summary is disabled. We can note down somewhere. First point. When to where the roll up summary enabled. This is the interview question. Understand? This is the interview question. What is the interview question? Where the roll up summary will be enabled. First one. What is that? In all child objects, roll up summary is disabled. Forget about the spellings. Clear? All child objects roll up summary is disabled. This is the proof. This is the proof. Why? 3 parents, 1 child. So child object, always child object, roll up summary is visible. Next, bed. Bed parent. Same like doctor also parent. Same like hospital also parent. But bed point of view, roll up summary is disabled. Doctor and hospital point of view, roll up summary is enabled. What is the difference? Yes. What is that? Bed and patient, it is a lookup, optional relationship. Whenever any object is a parent with, what is that? Lookup relationship. Option means lookup relationship. Then roll-up summary is visible. That is the second point. What is that? Whenever any object is parent and with the lookup relationship, optional relationship. But is a parent to whom? Patient. But is a parent to whom? Patient. But it is a lookup parent. It is a having the lookup relationship. In that case, the parent object roll-up summary is visible. Understand? Clear? What is that? But is a parent. Parent lookup relationship always roll-up summary is visible. Parent object lookup relationship. Clear, guys? Clear. Now come to the second point here. What is the second point? Parent lookup object. Parent lookup object. It is a parent object and the relation with the lookup. Parent lookup object. It is visible. It means roll-up summary is visible. Understand? First one is all child objects are roll-up summary is visible. Second one is parent lookup, the roll-up summary is visible. Third one. What is the third one? Doctor and hospital both are parents, but mandate relationships. That means here roll-up summary is enabled. So that means here we are checking three conditions. In the child, all the child objects roll-up summary is visible. All the parent with lookup roll-up summary is visible. All the parent with master roll-up summary is enabled. Understand? Now what is the final one? What is the final one? Parent with mandatory, not lookup. Okay. Parent relationship with parent with master detail relationship. It's understand? In the interview, you can explain like this. Understand? When to use the roll-up summary. When to use the roll-up summary means all child objects roll-up summary is visible. Why? Roll-up summary is we are getting the summarized information. Child's summarized information at the end. Parent point of view, summarized information will be there. So that's the reason all child objects roll-up summary is visible. Second one. Second one. What is that? All parent with lookup. All parent with lookup. What is happened? All parent with lookup. What happened? The roll-up summary will be disabled. Why? Why? I will tell you later, not now. Next one. All third one. All parent with master detail relationship roll-up summary is enabled. Understand? Now come to our scenario here. Now in our scenario, if you go to here, yeah, here, see guys, doctor point of view, how many patients are there? Doctor point of view, how many patients are there? I need child related information. Which information? Count. So that means in the doctor and the patient, what is that? Roll-up summary is enabled. Why? It is a master detail relationship. It is a master detail relationship. So go to the doctor and create the roll-up summary field with what is the function? Count. Count of patients. Understand? We'll see. Go to the doctor. View fields. Click on new. Where is that? Roll-up summary. Understand? Now, within the roll-up summary, what do you want? Doctor point of view, all the childs. That means, what is the function? Count. Understand? What is the field name? Total patient count. Total patient count. API name. Now next. See, master object. What is the master object? Doctor. Doctor point of view, which object count you need? Patient. See, summarized object. That means, hey guys, which summarized information you need? I need summarized information of the child. Which child? Patients. So, doctor point of view, all the patients count. Doctor point of view, all the patient count I need. That count is coming and stored in our variable. Visible to all? Okay, save. So now we are created, what is that? Total patient count. It is a roll-up summary of patients count. That means total patient count on the doctor object field. In the doctor object field, we are creating one field. What is the field? Total patient count. Here see, there is an icon. That means it is a aggregate function. Aggregate means total. So what is that? Roll-up summary of count of patients. So how many patients are there in the respective doctor? That count is come and store in this field. Who will do that? Runtime engine will do that. Understand? Now come to doctor. Open any doctor. Total patient count 2. Why? 2 members are there. Again, John. Total patient count 1. Why? 1 patient is there. Why? Because this is the roll-up summary field. Here we are using the count function. Count of what? Patients. Again, 0. Why 0? No patients. Again, other object, Vijay. 0. No patients. Understand? This is the roll-up summary of what? Count. Now I want to use the minimum. Minimum means who is the youngest one? Who is the youngest one? That guy date of birth. Who is the youngest patient? That guy date of birth I want. So again, or in a different way. What is that? Doctor point of view, how many patients are there? Hospital point of view. Hospital point of view, how many patients are there? How many patients are there? 3. That count I need here. That means you need to create one more field on the hospital. Total patients. Total patient count. Roll up summary to again patients count. Create it. New. Same field. But in the hospital point of view. Roll up summary is enabled. Why? It is a patient master. Sorry, it is a master object. Master parent object. What is that? Number of patients. That is also fine, right? Number of patients as of now. Next, hospital object point of view, number of patients. Number of patients means summarize information of patients. That count is coming. Which count? Count, right? I need how many patients count is there. That is, I need to store into the hospital object. Understand? Visible to all. Next, save. Now see guys, go to the hospital, open that. 3 members are there. 3 is come. Hospital point of view, how many patients are there? Doctor point of view, how many what about the patients are assigned to this doctor? Dr. Peter 2. Dr. Vijay 0. Dr. Ramya 0. Dr. John 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is a total number of patients of the hospital. All doctors, individual patients equal to hospital total patients. It is correct, right? Understand? That is done. Count function. Now my requirement is, what is the requirement? In the hospital point of view, so many people are there. Maybe 10,000 or 20,000, blah, blah, blah. As of now, out of 10,000 patients are there. After 1 year, 10,000. This count is number of patients are visited to this branch, 10,000. Within the 10,000, who is the youngest person? That guy date of birth. Who is the youngest person? So that means you need to create field in the hospital point of view. New youngest means which date of birth? Youngest means highest date of birth. 2023 guy is the youngest compared with the 1995. So that means which function you need to use? First, roll up summary. Next, what is the field? Youngest. Youngest patient date of birth. Next, here see, little bit different. What is that? In the hospital point of view, here runtime engine, go to all the patients. Go to all the patients. Within all the patients, I need, what is that? I need minimum or maximum? Maximum. 2023 is the maximum number. Highest number. Highest number always youngest date of birth. 2000, he is born now, 2023. One guy born 1995. Who is youngest? 2023. Why? The maximum value is a youngest. The minimum value is a old. So that means, what is that? Maximum. Year is 2023. Year is 1995. Max date of birth is 2023. 2023 date of birth is the youngest person. That's the reason need to get the maximum date of birth. Maximum date of birth. That's the reason I'm taking this example. Max date of birth. Max means highest date of birth is a youngest person. Understand? Now max what? Which one? Which field you want to check the date of birth? Max date of birth is a, what is that? Youngest. We'll see. It is going to the date of birth which is the maximum. That maximum date of birth it is fetching and storing in this variable. We'll see. Save. In the hospital point of view, see here we are creating the youngest patient is the maximum date of birth. Guys, 1 second. Got the call. Okay, guys. Max means what is that? Youngest date of birth is coming. Go to the hospital. Now we are creating one field. What is that? Youngest date of birth. Out of these 3 patients, who is the youngest? That date of birth is coming. 4/26/2021. We'll see. We need to check whether it is correct or wrong. Okay. First 006. What is 006 date of birth? 2000. 2021. Compare with the 2000. 2001 is the youngest. Next, other guy. I think this is the guy. 2021. As of now, he is youngest. This patient. 2000. So that means 2000, 2021, 2000. Who is the youngest? 426, 2021. That is coming here. 426, 2021. It is correct. For example, here 10,000 patients are there. Out of 10,000, who is the youngest? That date of birth is coming. Understand? Now, what is that? Now, minimum. Sorry, not minimum. First of all, youngest, older patient date of birth. Older patient date of birth. Who is older, guys? What is the expected result? 2000, 726, 2000. Same date of birth. Then which one is coming? Anyone is fine, right?
Depends on month.
Both are same, right? As of now, both are same. Actually, okay, month also different. Okay. In this case, guys, in this case, both the date of births are same. Then same date of birth is coming. We need date of birth, right? It is a duplicate date of birth or whatever, maybe one date of birth is coming. Now, click on new. Roll up summary. What is that? Older. Older patient date of birth. Okay. Oldest or anything is fine, guys. Leave it. So now patients, max or minimum? Minimum. Minimum of date of birth. Okay. Next. Anything is fine, right, Anita? Why? Because date of birth, right? Date of birth is common for everybody. Then the same date of birth. For example, 10 people have the same date of birth. We are asking date of birth. The 10 people already have the same date of birth. So then the same date of birth is coming.
Patient name for formal patient name.
In that case, it is ambiguity. Then you can use add the time and created, which is the based on the created date, which is the first. Next. See. Now come to here. What is coming? Understand? Okay. Okay, guys, this is fine. So now we are using, but here we are not using, see, we are using the count function, we are using the minimum function, maximum function, but we are not using the sum, blah, blah, blah. In the future, we will use it. Why? Because here it is not possible. Sum means one organization. For example, IBM company is there. IBM company, multiple employees are there. Understand? In that case, what is the total sum of all the employee salary? So total employee salary is equal to roll up of patients, sorry, not patients, employees of salary. Understand? So you need to design depending on the situation. Understand? Now, guys, here one more. Yes, that is the next requirement, Anita. Okay. Yeah. Now see, guys. For example, here I will introducing one concept we are using like hundreds of times. What is the pain point here? For example, the pain point, based on our pain point, we are getting one feature. What is the feature? So here, for example, see, we are already discussed, right? This one. Who is the, what about the ACE? What is the ACE? We are unable to see. 10,000 records are there. Then we are introducing one concept called list view. If you click on go, then this is coming. Doctor related name and specialization. We are adding and removing the whatever fields, whatever you want. For example, I need, depending on the condition, 3 patients are there. Based on the condition, What is that? These are all the patients. I need only inpatients. There is no inpatients. So that means you need to able to see all the data depending on your business. For that purpose, that means you need to display the data depending on your business. We are using list view. Understand that concept already. So the same concept we are using hundreds of times, guys, whenever it is required. Okay. Now my other requirement is, for example, see. Open the doctor. Dr. Peter. So here see, Dr. Peter, cardio 1500, total patients are 2. Okay. Total patients are 2. Now, in the patients, I need to display the patient name here. Instead of patient number, oh, this is the patient. What is the patient name? What is the patient age? I want to display some more columns here. Understand? Previously, we are displaying the columns in the list view. This is the list view. In the list view, we are edit and add whatever fields you want. It's called list view. But now, not in this table. In the go to the doctor. What is the pain point? Doctor see that, okay, these are the 2 patients. Now, what is the name of the 007? He is open the record, then able to see his name, Vinay. What about that? What is the date of birth? Blah, blah, blah. But without open the child records, I want to see the requested field. Understand? And here see how many fields are there? It is a 2-column layout. Why? This is the first column, this is the second column. So here how many fields are there in the first column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2. So here there is a space waste of space. We need to align properly. Understand? We need to align properly. How to align? Dr. Peter and cardio. See this created by I need to remove here and add here. Then here 4 fields, here 3 fields. It is good. What is that? Cardio, doctor name, specialization, fees, total patients. Then created by owner, last modified by. Space will be reduced. Understand? The form will be effective. How to do that? At the same time, in the patient, I want to add some more columns here. That means these all belongs to this space. You want to modify this space according to your requirement. What is the requirement? I want to add all the doctor related fields here and created by here, owner by owner here in the second column like that. In the related list, I want to add patient name first, patient number second, date of birth third, something blah, blah, blah. That means you need to change this space. You need to change this space. Understand how to change the space. So already SalesForce given that ability. That is called force.com, right? We all discussed in the starting. Pass. So what is that? Normally general word called it is a page. In the technically SalesForce point of view, this is called page layout. What is that? Page layout. Now onwards, we are using that word called every record page is called, what is that? Page layout. Page layout means whatever data you are able to see. That screen is called page layout. So go to the hospital. This is the page. This is the hospital page record. That means hospital page layout. Go to the doctor. Open the record. This is the doctor page layout. Understand? Go to the bed and open the bed record. This is the bed page layout. Page layout means a page. General word is page. Technical word is page layout. Understand? Now you can modify the page layout. Which page layout? Doctor. Doctor. Before that, here I am introducing. Here, see guys, everything is very easy. But the difference is that wording. what is the technical words those people are using? You need to remember that. We know already this is the page, but what is the technical word? Page layout. Understand that word you need to, what about that? By hearted. That's it. So come to here. Page layout means this is the page layout. The record, whatever record you are able to see, that is called page. What about that? Page layout. Whatever table you are displaying, that is the list view. Understand? Total records, then table is called list view. Individual record is called page layout. Within the page layout, if you see, how many sections are there? This is the first section. This is the second section. In the first section, what is that? The doctor related information is there. In the second section, the related information, doctor related patients are there. Same, come to hospital. In the hospital, first section, hospital related information is there. That means this is the detail record. Which record? Hospital detail record. Hospital related patients. This is called related list. It's a table, right? Related list. It is a related list view. This is called related list. Which related list? These hospital related patients. So that's the reason this is a related list. This is the detailed record. This is the detailed record section. This is the related list. Understand? Now, here every record page there is some sections like this. The main record is called, what is that? Detailed record. This is called detailed record. Which record? Doctor record or patient record, something. That detailed record belongs, all records are displayed here, right? This is called, what is that? Related records. That's it. Related list view or related list. Anything is related records or related list view, something like that. Understand? These are the terminology. You don't want to, what about that, do anything here. Terminology is very important. Total called, general called is a page. In the technically, page layout. Within the page layout, whatever record is there, that is called detailed record. Within the page, related information table is called related list. That's it. Understand? Now guys, in our case, go to the doctor. Here, go to the bed. Okay, doctor, go to the doctor. Open that. Doctor record page is there. Doctor related, patients related list is there. Now you want to modify the doctor detail page as well as related list. That related list. That is the wording, right? So first I want to modify the doctor created by 2. Here I want to remove here and add here. How? Then this total is called, what is that? Page layout. That means you want to change anything in the detailed record or related records, you can modify the page layout. Why? The page layout detail page is there, related list is there. Whatever you want, you can modify through page layout option. Understand how to do that? Again, there is a 2 steps. What is the 2 steps? Traditional approach, shortcut. Understand? I will explain you 3 ways. What is that? Traditional approach. Setup. Which object you need to modify? Which page layout? Doctor. So go to the objects. Go to the doctor. Go to the, what is the option? You want to modify? Page layouts. That means which doctor is the object. Check the page layout. So admin completed means these all sections are completed. Then admin completed. That's it. Understand? So now edit it. See, there is one dabba is coming, right? There is a box. Within the box, all the options are available. Leave it as of now. We don't know anything. Come down. See here, buttons. These are the buttons. But here, see, in the doctor, how many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 8. Same buttons here. Up and down. 4 buttons. But here, how many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Depending on situation, some are coming, some are hidden. Leave it. But see guys, here first, what is our requirement? Created by. Remove the create by here and add here. So drag it. See, the arrows are coming. That means it is a draggable. Drag it and put it here. Or after owner. See, the green color is coming. Green means it is accepted. That section, that space, the whatever you are dragging, it is accepted. For example, here, see what happened? Red color. Why? In the buttons, you are unable to add the fields. This is the button section. Understand? So now, leave it. Here, last modified by here, I need to add before that. Okay. So now 4 fields, 3 fields. Space is reduced. So here in the top, in the dabba, I already told you, right? This box here, save button is there. Please don't forget it. Click on the save. Page layout is modified. Now come to here. This is the old page layout. Okay. Now we'll see. That means you need to, I told you right in the past, SalesForce provide the predefined applications. If you want to modify, I don't require the default page. I want to design my own way. Design means aligning. It is possible through pass. Understand? This is the traditional approach. This is the traditional approach. Now, by default, every page 2 column layout, guys. Every page 2 column layout. What is the second option? What is the first option? Go to the setup and objects and open the object and go to the page layout. That means how many clicks? Click on setup, first click. Type the objects. Click on the objects and click on the doctor object. Open it, then page layout. That means 5 clicks. Right? Now we are grown up, we need shortcut. What is that? The next shortcut is force.com. Open the record first. Which record you want to modify? Which page you want to modify? Where is that? Edit layout. Same whatever you are able to, same thing is coming. Only 1 click. That is the beauty of shortcut. Instead of setup, object typing, click on the object, select the respective object, open that and come to the page layout. This is the nonsense. Only 1 click, it is coming. Now go and change it and drag here. See, come down here. You need to modify in the, for example, I want to change in the 1 column layout. I don't require 2 columns. 1 column layout now. By default 2 columns. If you want, modify 1 column, but more than 2, it is not accepted. By default, every record page is, every layout is accepting 2 column layout. Understand? Now save it. Now what is that? 1 column layout. This is the second way. What is the second way? Through force.com. Second option. What is the third option? Here. In this option, if you click on this and go to the respective option, where is my page layout? This is the one. Now come to here, third option. What is that? Edit layout. Directly click on that. It is come. Understand? Now you can use whatever you want. So now, see, it is a page layout. Okay. Now I want to change related list as well. How? Here there is 2 icons. Every related list 2 icons are there. What are those? The first icon is on hover. See, what is that? Remove related list. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. See, I will remove it. That means there is no related list. Save it. See, where is the patients? Patients not there. Understand? Patients not there. Now I want to add patients. Where to add? In this box, so many options are there. Which option you need to go? Fields? No. Buttons? Do you want? No. Quick actions? That is the next concept. Mobile, it's a lightning. Expand lookup, related list. Which related list? So many related lists are there. Which related list here? You want? Patients. Drag it. Green color is coming. Leave it. Save. Understand? Understand, guys? So related list. But here my requirement is I want to add some more fields. Understand? Again, edit. Here, if you click on this, it is removed. Next setting icon is there. Properties icon. Click on that. See here, available fields. Patient number is available. Selected. Now, which field you want to display? Patient name. Where is the patient name? Patient name. Add it. Patient name always first. Up. Patient name first, serial number second. Then patient object, date of birth. Save it. If you want to display this records as a ascending or descending, anything is fine. Okay. Save it. Now see. Patient name, patient serial number, date of birth. Now the doctor without open the record, when I is a serial number, this is the date of birth. Understand? This is called, what is that? Page layout. Now, for example, in this scenario, there is some wrong one is there. What is that wrong? In the doctor point of view, there is one option we are given that. That is the wrong option. What is the option? Use your brain. Doctor point of view, one wrong option is there. Huh? Make it confident, man. Tell me confident. If it is wrong, that's fine. Tell me. Okay, this is okay. Okay, these are not required to doctor, right? Doctor need only these 4 fields. These are don't required. So remove these 4 fields. Correct. One option. I don't require owner, created by, last modified by. Go to the edit layout. But always that edit layout is not recommendable. In that scenario, I will tell you. As of now, that is correct. But in other scenario, it is not correct. I will tell you. Now, which fields you don't require? Owner, remove. Created by, remove. Last modified by, remove. Save it. Now it is good. Any other? Any other wrong options? For example, here I am the Dr. Peter. Whenever I open my record, this is what about displayed. So in my point of view, am I record all these options? Which option I don't require? This is my record. I want to see my profile. Oh, this is my name. This is my whatever specialization. This is my fee. And these are total numbers. It is fine. But what is the other? Don't use brain. Use at least eyes. That's the reason. We don't have the lack of whatever that name, specialization not required, data, but all are in like in the what about that? What is it? Well, Babi, something, right? All are in the same area. Beyond that, didn't think that. We are in like a small, what about that pond? We are not thinking like an ocean.
So we came here to garden.
We'll see. That is up to your whatever the practice. Yeah, what is that? As a doctor, whenever I join the hospital, who create this record? Receptionist. Doctor record who created, man? He's not a patient. The manager or admin. That guy created. Whenever I open my record, whenever I joined, I click on the doctor tab and see that, oh, this is my data. I don't have the option to edit. I don't have the option to delete. I don't have the option to clone, sharing, blah, blah, blah. I will explain the other buttons. That means doctor, there is no buttons. He is able to see that. That means doctor point of view, these buttons don't require. But admin point of view required. So I'm a doctor, so I don't require these buttons. That means you need to remove the buttons. Which buttons? Edit, delete, clone, sharing. Go to the edit page layout. Please think beyond that. We are working with the fields. That's the reason you are thinking only fields. Okay? Yeah. Now, what is that? Edit. Remove it. Delete. Remove it. Clone. Remove it. What about other? Sharing. Remove it. 4 buttons removed. Save it. Now it is good. Doctor point of view, this is good. Okay? Any other? Is it correct, doctor point of view? This space? Yes. What is that? New patient. Doctor, once the patient come to the cabin, then tell me your name, I will create your record first. Doctor will not create the patient record. That means you need to hide the, what is that? New patient. What is this? Button. But this button is where it is there. Related list. That means if you want to hide or show the buttons, go to the layout and go to the related list, then hide or show that. Understand? Edit layout. Where to go? Related list. This option is remove. This option is settings. We are add or remove the, but what about the fields here? In the second section, buttons. New and change owner. New button I don't require. New means patient new. Uncheck it. Okay. Save it. Understand? Understand? Sir, Gangadhar sir, this count is the guy question was this total patient count already in the hospital. Why are you adding here? If you observe the scenario, hospital point of view, total patients visited to the hospital irrespective of the doctors. All patients, hospital point of view, all patients are 3. But here doctor, what is that? This doctor point of view patients, individual patients. Understand? Doctor also does not edit or delete info above patients. Yeah, as of now, correct, right? This is correct. But here, if you see, if you hover it, the pen icon is coming. If you click on that, that means doctor able to modify it. How to avoid that? That is the last concept of the admin. We are not in the end, we are in the starting, right? We are just complete the 10%, something like that. So that's the reason I will add that scenarios in the end. It is a security. Okay. So as of now, as per learning, this is fine. But if you click on that, this is called inline edit. Without button, without edit button, if you double click on that, you need to change it. New row, it is saved. But doctor having the ability to change their data. But you don't want to provide this edit option, the double click option. How to avoid that? That will tell you in the last. Okay, guys. Now, but above details layout, hyperlink is there with patients and counter. Where is that patient and counter? In the doctor point of view, this is the patient and this is the count. Okay. Top right side. This is one. This is quick links, guys. This is the quick link. See here, one object. What is that? What is the object? Doctor object. Doctor object, only one child. In the real time, one object having 20 or 30 childs are there. At that time, this is the first child, second child, third child, each and every child having hundreds of records. Then if you go to the 20th related list, you need to drag on. After 5 minutes, you will reach the end. Understand? At that time, all the related list links are here. Just click on that. Automatically, that related list will be opened. That is the purpose of this, the shortcut. To instead, for example, 20th related list is there. Just drag up to 5 minutes. That 20th related list is going. Then you can change whatever it may be. If you save it again, it is come back to the starting. Again, if you want to modify the 20th related list, again you need to drag it after 5 minutes. It is waste of time. That's the reason every related list these people provide as a, what is that, link. This is called quick links. What is that? Quick links. In the detail page above, for example, here 2 related lists are there. Assuming that 2 links coming here. These are called, what is that? Quick links. Understand? Why quick links? Instead of going to the 18th related list, just here the 18th quick links, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the quick links are available here. If you click on the 18th one, then 18th list automatically come first. Then you can modify it. That is the purpose of quick links. Understood? See how many terminologies are coming. Here, what is that? First, the total page is called page layout. Within that, whatever main record is there, that is called details record. Whatever the sub records data, that is called related list or related list view. And if you want to quickly go to the respective related list, then there is some links in the before detail page. That is called quick links. These are the terminologies in the real time. Understand? Okay. Any questions as of now? Any questions as of now? Online guys, say yes or no. Any questions as of now? All are sleeping, huh? Okay. Now guys, now again come to, we already covered the same scenario. Okay. I need this doctor point of view. The doctor point of view, how much amount collected per doctor? How much amount collected? How many patients are there? 2. That means, what is that? What is the logic? Summa, total, sum of which field? Sum of fees means fees is 1500 is coming, right? All the records, but in the all the records fees is there.
No.
For example, here, okay, here fees is there. That means you need to get the all the, here I need to add the fees first. Okay, we'll see. Edit layout, add the fees, fields. What is that? Where is the fees? Here, right? In the related list field. So go to the related list. Hospital, not hospital, patient related fees. Okay. Okay. Set. Now I want to get the all the sum of, very important. There is a twist here. Okay. Try to understand. You need to tell the answer. Here I need to get the total amount. Total amount is equal to aggregate function, right? Sum of fees. And right? So I need to create one field. What is the field? Total amount or total fee. In this respective record, total fee is equal to aggregate of patient's fee of sum. Right? We'll see. What is the field name? What is the field name? Roll up summary. Now you can guide me. Total fees. Next. Next. What do you want to select here? Doctor point of view? Patients. Patient point of view? Which sum? Sum of? The patient, which field sum you need? Fees. Sum of? It is disabled. Fees is not coming. But in the patient fees is there, right? The patient fees is there. But in the doctor point of view, roll up summary, if you click on the sum of fees, they go to the patients and I need sum of all patients, all fees, but fees is not coming. Why? No. No. You need to think in the different way. What is that? See, guys, in the patient point of view, this fees is not patient field. Understand? This fees is this is the subject. This fees is not individual field of the patient. That is reference of the doctor. The data belongs to whom? Doctor. See, we are not entered. It is a formula field. It is a formula field. Once you click on the save, see here, edit. See, fees is not coming. When fees is coming, if you click on save, then this record go into the respective doctor and get the reference. That means fees is a formula field. Fees is not related to what is that? This patient. Technically, fees is whenever you are entered the Dr. Peter and try to click on the save, then the runtime engine go into the doctor and get the fees and display here. So that means it is a rented field, right? We are in the rent. Why rent means that home is not ours. We are paying the fees. We are paying the amount. Understand? See here, this fees field is a formula field. That means this data belongs to doctor. It is not individual field. So here the point was, whenever you are using the roll-up summary, in the aggregate fields, here individual fields only available, not relationship fields, sorry, not related to the formula fields. So that is the reason fees is not coming. Understand? Fees is belongs to whom? Doctor. In the doctor, fees is an individual record. See, go to the doctor. The doctor, we are creating the field. Fees. But in the patient, fees value not there. While you are saving it based on the doctor, it is just get the fees and display it. But actual data will be stored in the doctor. It is a formula field. Formula fields will not, we are unable to use in our roll-up summary. Understand? Understand? Understand, guys? Yes. So now, but still my client is asking, I need total amount. Then we need to go to the second approach. What is the second approach? First solution is not possible. Why? Aggregate sum of fields are not coming. Why? Fees is related to doctor. In the individual field is not there in the patient. So that is not possible. Then what is the second approach? We need second approach. What is the second solution? Yes, Santa, correct. Any other? Yes, Gangadhar, correct. Use your brain now. Now the challenges are coming. What is that? I need the whatever the total amount of the doctor. All the patients, how much amount I'm getting, that amount I want to display here. total amount or total fee. That is not an issue, Gangadhar. Yeah. Yeah, tell me guys, whatever it is, tell me what is the approach, formula or roll up or X or Y or Z. We need solution.
Fees into patient.
Fees into patient count. See, fees is already there. Patient count is there. Fees into patient count is equal to total sum. Use your brain. Understand? Now, fees is here. Total patient count is here. Total count into individual patient fee is equal to total sum, total amount of the fee. Use your, what is that? In that case, we are using formula field. That is the reason, guys. Everybody creating the objects. Understand? But efficient way. Whenever that is the hurdle, what is the alternative solution? You need to find that. That is the skill-based learning. Now come to here. Click on new. What is that? Field name? Formula. Data type is a formula. In the doctor object. What is that? Total fees. Total fees is a which data type? Currency. Decimals don't required. Next. Now write the logic. What is the logic? What is the logic, guys? Fees into total patient count. That's it. Insert field in the doctor. The doctor fees. Don't write it. Into what is that? Sorry? Doctor patient salvation. Total patient count. Fees into total patient count. Fees 1500, total patient count 3. 4500 is coming. That value will be going and stored into the total fees. Now check the syntax. Why? Compiler check that whether your formula is correct or not. Yes, correct. Next. Visible to all. Next. Save it. Now we'll see. Go to the doctor. Open the paper. 3000. Why 3000? 1500 into 2, 3000. Ramya, 0. No patients. 1300 into 0. 0. John, 800 into 1. 800. Total fee also come. Understand? So that's the reason, guys. In one, what about that one problem? We have a multiple solutions. We need to see whenever you are writing the code or whatever maybe output is coming. Don't leave it. The same code first in the first time you are writing the code like 100, whatever 200 lines. So how to reduce it? The same code, how to reduce it? In the second time 150 lines. Third time 100 lines. Fourth time 50 lines. Finally 20 lines. That is the way of the same code you are writing the multiple ways. Whenever out of 190% of the people, whenever those people writing the code, output is coming. Those people leave the code. Don't leave it. The same code, it's a 1 day or 2 days or 5 days or 7 days or 10 days. Understand that? Don't leave it. The same code, how efficient we are, how we can reduce the number of lines. Like that, you need to practice it. Okay, in that case, I will tell you how to do that. Clear, guys? So this is the what about the formula field. Here we are using the formula field concept. First understand the problem, then choose the what about the answer solution. Here what is the problem? Fees. So roll up summary of patient fees not possible. Why? In the patient fees is a formula type. Formula types will not use in the roll up summary. Formula types will not use in the roll-up summary. Then what is the alternate solution? The doctor point of view, fees is there, count is there. Then into. the total fees is coming. Understand? So as of now, what we covered, guys, what we covered as of now, objects, leave the how to create the fields and everything, tabs, apps, what is that? Within the object, field dependencies, relationships. What are those? Lookup, master. And within the relationships, roll up summary. And formula fields. And page layout. This is the content we covered as of now. Understand how to create the object, how to create the tabs, how to create the app, how to create the logo and everything. Forget it. All are come under app. Field dependencies, relationships, and within that lookup and master, their history and roll up summary. When to use, where to use, when it is disabled, when it is enabled. Formula fields and page layouts. This is the as of now. One second, 2 minutes. So see guys, the same example I will not give that. Here examples are different, in the documentation examples are different. Understand? It's not a classroom. So now where we are. See, in the administration, this is the starting demo. Cloud computing, blah, blah, blah. Okay. How to create the org, what it is, everything I explain you. In the second document, what is the object and relationships? What is the object? Standard objects and custom objects. Standard object example, see how to go to the objects, the sections, type keyword and object, new custom object. This screen is coming. Click on new, enter your object name, and here I explain what is the plural label, what is the object name, what is the description and everything. Okay. Next, new custom object. I am creating here student. Student ID, auto number. These are the fields are created, standard fields created by, last modified by owner name. Now on the top of it, I am creating the multiple fields. What is that? Student name, blah, blah, blah. And finally, object is created. See, this is the student object, student records, name, mobile, course fees. I explained you HMS, hospital related. Here I explained the student management system. Same, it is not a classroom, guys. You need to think yourself. Understand? So here see, John, this is fine. But here, course name is common, fees is common. Now you need to split into the different object. See the memory management, how much bytes are wastage and everything. Here, this is the common. Then data redundancy are coming. Then I need to split into the course object. Now, different students, same course. Mapping it. This is called relationship. How much it is, space is reduced. This is the, at that time, we need to use the relationships. Parent object relationship, child object relationship. It is a student management system, hospital management system. These are the examples. Two types of the relationships. What are those? Lookup and master. I explained this one. One doctor, multiple patients. Here I am creating the patient object. This is the patient related to doctor, adding the lookup relationship. Why? Converting the, if it is a data is there, we are converting everything. Roll up summary, count some minimum maximum. Number of patients. What is that? Roll up summary, number of patients means count. count. See, hospital point of view, how many patients are there? 3. Step 2.
Why patients the moon sign?
Sorry,
Why patients the moon sign?
that is the icon, madam.
We
Whenever you are creating the patient object, we are giving the icon, right? We gave that tab. So question, how to create the master data relationship with other object if child has 1 million records? So first create the lookup and convert it. So see here, these are the different fields. Now here, what is that? Is formula. Fees. See, doctor underscore R dot fees. It is a one more formula. Doctor fees we are getting to avoid the duplicate. See, like that, I'm creating multiple years of experience, date of birth, younger date of birth, older date of birth, roll up of minimum, maximum, everything. Output. This is the scanner. I will show you last. Okay, not now. See, same. One patient, multiple. This concept is still be there. I will tell you. Okay, guys, this is the document. So today maybe Naresh IT people send you whoever already paid the fees, that emails. I will share the drive link. Okay, guys. Yeah. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow, guys.